Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. Today is Sunday, February 21st, 2021, and we are here again in District 7, but a different part of District 7. This area, I'm probably butchering the name, but they call it Phu My Hung, which is kind of an upscale district of District 7. There are expats that live here, but from what I understand, it's mostly Korean expats, so not too many of us out there. But there are some other expats out here too. So the first thing you notice here are the streets are wider. There's just a lot more space to get around. As you can see, there are a lot of stores and restaurants with apartments above them. So kind of a Western style area. This is one of the main streets. This will take you over to District 1, District 4, District 2. If you go to the right, if you go to the left, you're going towards District 8 and some of the outer districts of the city. So I'll take you around here real quick, just kind of show you there are some nicer options in the city. I live in the center of the city in District 1, and that might be too much for some people to handle, but for me it's okay. I like being in the city center no matter where I live in the world. I actually came out here because I was looking. There's a bagel shop out here, so hopefully on my walk I'll find that store. Oh, I see it now. It's across the street. Well, I'll go there after the video. Rents out here tend to be a little bit more than in other parts of the city. There's a wine shop. See, across the street there, you guys see that New York bagel? That's where I'll be heading to after the video. I've been craving a bagel since I've been back. There are a few places in the city that have bagels. One's called Saigon Bagel. But I've been to New York Bagel before when I lived here a few years ago, so that's why I still remember it. It's pretty decent. They claim they bake the bagels the correct way. So I'll take you around down to Residential Street so you can kind of see what's going on. Coffee shops are everywhere here. Across the street, see that? Popeye's chicken. If you guys remember that from the States, you can get that here. Same chicken, same coleslaw is pretty good. Mashed potatoes are pretty good. The people here, they love chicken. So you'll find Popeyes, you'll find KFC, you'll find quite a few things. There's a little soup shop. You can get wonton soup. Oh, that sounds good. Might have to do that. I love a good wonton soup too. These residential streets are a little bit quieter. As you can see, there's a lot more green space. See all that green space? So it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a place that's still in the city, yet has a little bit more green space, a little bit more quiet, this might be a good option for you. I'm not sure if this is Korean writing. If my friend King is watching this video, please comment. Let me know what that is. King has a channel called the King Lee Way. Most of the time he does videos in Korea, but right now he's in the US. So here's another place with some foreign writing. So maybe, yeah, I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't know much about the Asian languages, so I couldn't tell you what that is. Here's an example of some apartments to rent. So it looks like they got studios and 1 bedroom and maybe 3 bedrooms. I don't know. There's a phone number and an email address. You could freeze that and call them or email them if you're interested. This street goes down for blocks. I'm not going to go down the whole street. I'm just gonna kind of go around the block a little bit. So most of this area pretty much looks the same. Oop, gotta watch out. There we go. I don't know if I mentioned this in previous videos, but you know how in the Western world, when you're driving, you should be yielding to pedestrians. It don't work that way here. It don't work that way. So nobody does that. Another nice little cafe. There's a lot of these cafes that are just kind of hidden behind the trees. You know there's a nice car under that. You just know it. And look at these houses. They're really nice houses. You don't have a lot of land here, so you're not going to have sprawling estates like you do in the US. Look at this, flowers. This is nicely done. Across the street is a Circle K. You guys might remember that from the US. It's just the same here, just a convenience store. Pizza Inn over there. I guess it's from the US, but I don't remember. I don't remember it, so I couldn't tell you. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Very nice. So again, if you're looking for a quiet area in Ho Chi Minh City, look at District 7, look at Phu My Hung, and yeah, you might find a good spot here. There's another restaurant over there. Alright, so I think I'm going to end this video here. I gave you guys a pretty good snapshot of the neighborhood. You got to see a nice little snapshot. These are what the bus stops look like here. So you look for this sign. In this case, this is the route D2, Sky Garden to Crescent Mall. It looks like it runs from 8 in the morning to 9:45 at night, and it looks like it runs every 30 minutes. Crescent Mall I did previous videos at. It's a pretty nice mall. There's another nice place across the way. I'll show you guys real quick before we end the video. It's called Texas Chicken. So they have pretty nice Texas chicken. They have pretty nice chicken wraps, fried chicken, stuff like that. So check that out. Anyways, for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason. Take care out there. Be safe. Oh, I do appreciate all my subscribers. I did hit 2,500 the other day. So that is a big number for me. So I appreciate y'all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the logo at the bottom of the screen. Hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.